All right, let's go ahead and we're going to rename this. We're going to call it method chaining. Method chaining is pretty interesting. It's really, it makes sense what it is, but let's go ahead and actually look at an example. So let's suppose we have a string. Let's call string1 and it equals hi. And then we have this other string, string2, and it's hi. All right. And we'll go ahead and rename this and save it. And then we'll run it. And one's hi and one's hi. And even with dot equals, they're just not the same. So what I might do is I might say string1 equals string1 dot to upper. What does dot to upper do? Well, let's go ahead and change string1, and then we'll print it out. And so you can see exactly what to upper does. Just in case you're wondering, to upper means to uppercase. So, I didn't spell it right. It's actually to uppercase. There we go. So, to uppercase, and we're going to see that, hey, now they're the same. One's capitalized, and then one's capitalized. They're the same. You can also do a equals ignore case, but for this point, I'm just showing you how you can change things to uppercase. So we have lowercase and uppercase, and so what I'm doing here is I'm saying string1 dot to uppercase, and then later saying dot equals. Well, I don't actually have to do this. I could say string1 dot to uppercase, and then immediately have that return and call equals to string. There they are. So what I'm saying is I just created my own dot equals ignore uppercase. In fact, this is actually how it works. They equals ignore uppercase equals ignore case. What it does is it will capitalize both and then compare the two. But the method chaining is simply I take an object, I have a method, and that returns, and then I immediately call another method on the same line. All method chaining does is it saves space and makes it faster to program. So method chaining is just calling one thing after another after another. That's about it.